In this video, we're going to show the user how to use the comparison functionality within subject rows from GradeVision. As you can see, I've already built a report here. Just maximise the screen so you can see everything. I've brought down the basic 5. So from cohort selection, I've brought down academic year and year group, and from student details, UPN, forename and surname, and then interest group, I've ticked all students, gender, ethnicity, SEN. Yeah, that's all the groups there. And this is the kind of report that you'd use if your member of SLT said they wanted to know how many students were below target in English and they wanted to see it across several interest groups. So this literally takes minutes to build. So as you can see, the parameters I've brought down there. From subject rows, I've brought down comparison. I've put in a row count from tools, and I've also put in a column percentage from tools. So just to look at all those are straight fields there. Then the comparison one, because this one you do have to reference something. So I've asked it to tell me, is result type current, less than target, and to use a new point scale. And then I've asked it to do a column percentage saying calculate the percentage of number of students who are below target as a percentage of the row count. So that showed all students there, 213 altogether, 110 students. English language grade is below their target, and that's shown as 51.64%. I've put an average there at the bottom so the member of SLT can see what the average is like. And on the condition box there, the academic year, year group, and the subject is English language. So that's how you use the comparison functionality within subject rows to show where students' current grade is below a target grade. Thank you.